Looks like the frame is okay, but there's just some damage to the flange from the bumper. It looked like the impact was directly on the beam that connects to the bumper. A little bit of deflection here, a little bit of crumpling. Inner apron looks okay.